Hello, guardians and parents of JCS students. My name is Clea, and I'm going to be showing you how to accept your Rooms invitation. Now, Rooms is our new two-way communication system that is connecting you to your child's teachers within a secure communication platform. So it all lives inside of the Jefferson County app. You're all going to one place for all your kiddos' information going forward. So when we send you out these invites, they're going to go to your email and to your text. In this instance, we're going to take a look at the email one. So what that's going to look like for you is it's going to be from accounts@edurooms.com. When you click into it, this is how it's going to look. So it's going to address you by name, and then it's going to have a button on it asking you to complete your account. So you're going to go ahead and click on that button. It's going to take you to this screen that you will use to create your password. So just make sure that it has all the qualifications listed there, and you should be good to go. Just like that. And then click set my password. You can save it or you don't have to. It's now going to sign you in on the web. Now, once it does that, you're going to have to scroll through some terms. So go ahead and just scroll to the bottom until that button lights up and you can click on it. Once you've done that, it's going to send you an additional email saying that you have successfully created your account. So now it will show you the students that you have associated with that account. Just like that. You can click access your account. And that's going to take you to the web version. So that's if you accept this on a website. But if you're doing this on your phone, like most of you probably will, you're actually going to be able to use the JCS app. So if you haven't already, go to the App Store, type in JCS WV, and this is the application that you're going to want to download. So go ahead and download this. Now, this application will also have event information and social media information pertaining to the district. So it's a really helpful one to have on your phone anyway. Once it downloads, open it up. It's going to load for you just like this. And you'll see a toggle in the bottom right corner, welcome you into Rooms. So click on over into that toggle. Go ahead and allow notifications. We want to make sure that those notifications are going through as you get messages from your teachers. Go ahead and type in that email address. And that password that you just created as well. Go ahead and enable Face ID, anything to make it easier for you to sign in the future. And then you're in. Now you'll notice that this screen says that you have no active classes. Of course, this is because it's summertime. Some of you might see classes like sports and stuff if your students are participating in summer activities. But for now, if you don't see anything, that's totally fine. You will once the school year starts up. The last thing I want to show you how to do is how to select a primary language. So you'll see a button in the bottom left corner saying menu. This is where you can see all of your kiddos' specific information. So I can toggle between them and their individual lists of classes will be displayed out for me, just like that. In the bottom right corner, you can hop over into settings, and that is where you can turn on your notifications, right, for messages and announcements that you're receiving. And you can also establish a primary language right at the top there. So if you speak something other than English as your preferred language, go ahead and select that, and then all the communication sent home to you in the future will automatically translate to you in that language. And then you're all set to start communicating